That's a few days ago.
Uh-huh.
Arriving
And then-
just a few days ago. Yeah.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
From Myanmar?
Yeah.
Oh, Mangalaba.
Yeah.
Mangalaba. Okay.
Yeah.
I have a lot of friends from Myanmar.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can. What's your name?
Phillip.
Philip.
Yeah.
Philip. So, how many countries have you visited apart from Laos?
Just 5 or 6 countries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then how long have you been in Laos?
Just a few days ago.
A few
days.
A few days.
Yeah, yeah.
Where have you visited in Laos?
I'm not exactly visited yet.
Yeah.
I wasn't visited not so much.
Okay. Only
Yeah.
Vang Vieng.
Yes, only Vientiane. Yeah.
Vientiane.
Yeah.
Okay. Vientiane. So, how do you feel in Laos? What do you think about Laos?
Lao people are so friendly.
Right.
Yeah, they're friendly, and the food is good.
Uh-huh.
Everywhere is peaceful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, have you tested any food, any special food in Laos?
Yes. I've tried most foods in Laos.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, which is your favorite?
But I like everything.
Oh, you like everything?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you single?
Yes.
How old are you?
Guess what? Guess.
27.
Thank you very much. I'm 36.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. You look good for your age.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
I'm currently I'm living in Thailand.
Okay.
Yeah.
To Thailand, right?
Yeah.
So do you speak Thai?
Yes, of course. Just a little bit.
Okay. What can you say in Thai? Sawadee krap.
Yeah, Sawadee krap. I will introduce the name of I will introduce my name.
Yeah.
สวัสดีครับผมชื่อ Phillip ครับ
Okay. And can you say that in Myanmar?
Myanmar ဟောမင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော်နာမည်ကတော့ Phillip ပါ
Okay. Mingalaba.
မင်္ဂလာပါ
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah
How do you say thank you in Myanmar?
ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Huh?
ကျေးဇူး
Jesu.
ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်
Jesu Tembade.
Yeah
Jesu Tembade.
Yeah
Okay. Khop kun kap.
ค่ะ
Thank you.
ครับ
And in Laos we say khop jai.
Yeah
Khop jai.
Yeah
In Thailand is khop kun
ขอ
kap.
บคุณครับ
In
In Myanmar
Myanmar is Jesu
Jesu
Tembade.
Tembade.
In
Yeah.
French is merci.
Yeah
In English is thank you.
Yes
Okay.
What about in Cameroon
In Cameroon we speak French and English.
Okay
Is thank you or merci. Yeah. We don't actually have.
Yeah.
You are lucky you have your language.
Yeah
Our language was taken by the French and English. So they swap our language and gave us French and English.
Living in
Wow.
Thailand, and I'm also a content creator.
Are you a content creator?
Yes.
What's your channel? You
Yeah.
can tell my viewers.
Yes. My channel on Facebook is the way of Phillip.
The way.
Yes.
The way of feeling.
The way of Phillip.
The way of Philip.
Yes. Phillip.
Okay.
Yes.
The way of Philip. Okay.
Is the name.
Right.
And also in YouTube.
Yes.
That also in YouTube, the same, right? The same.
Okay. YouTube, the way of Philip.
Yeah.
Facebook, the way of Philip. Please subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you.
This is my friend from Myanmar.
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you been in Thailand?
Just already 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. So what surprises you in Laos or in Thailand? What is that thing that makes you surprised? Don't give you a feeling like you are in Myanmar.
It's peaceful.
Yeah.
For me, it's peaceful.
It's peaceful.
Yes.
It's lovely.
Because right now, as you all know that right now, our country is not a good situation.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not a good policy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Myanmar.
Yeah.
Okay. But recently there was an earthquake, right?
Yeah.
Earthquake. So how is the situation?
It was not too good, but there were some evacuation and rescue teams from
Okay.
different countries there.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Most
Right.
of the countries are rescuing in Myanmar, especially the hit areas,
Yes.
such as Mandalay, Sagai.
Okay.
Yeah. I think so. I
Oh,
think
okay.
so. Yeah.
Okay. It's
But
really
a lot of countries, a lot of rescue teams from countries are arriving in Myanmar and they are rescuing.
okay. Okay. So, do you have any message to tell the young people that love to travel and want to experience the world?
Yeah. Not too much, I have to say, but uh, do what you love.
Yeah. Do what you love.
Yeah.
Okay. And do it when you're young.
Yeah.
Because when you get old, you can't do anymore.
Yes, of course.
Okay. It's really nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Philip.
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will subscribe to your channel.
Yeah.
And then I will also comment so you know that it's me.
Thank you
My
very
channel is Breezers.
Oh, okay.
Breezers on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
And then on Facebook too, I have page Breezers.
So I
Okay.
will find.
Yes, Breezers.